Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start inside InDesign with a document open and rulers visible so you can place shapes precisely. First, set the stroke weight and color in the control panel. This determines arrow visibility. Next, pick the line tool and set the line's end to none for now, because you'll convert and add the arrowhead manually. Once done, zoom to the target area so you can draw a straight, clean baseline for the arrow. Now draw the base with the line tool while holding Shift to keep it straight. This gives you control over direction. Open the stroke panel to apply a built-in arrowhead at one or both ends. Scale it to match the stroke weight so proportions remain correct. If you need a custom head, draw a triangle with the polygon tool, convert it to a path, and align it to the end of the line using smart guides. Make sure ends snap precisely so the join. Finish by grouping the line and head so the arrow moves as one object, and inspect it at 100% to confirm crisp edges. If exporting to Illustrator or PDF, use Object Path Outline Stroke to preserve appearance across apps. If the arrowhead looks misplaced, undo and adjust the stroke weight or arrowhead scale in the stroke panel, and make sure a line stroke is set correctly. This fixes most misalignment or export issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.